Welcome to Gardens by the Bay.
I'm just calling to say
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. So for today's video, we are going to Gardens by the Bay, and we will show you the Dandelion, which you can make a wish through scanning on a QR code.
Oh, so we will send you the QR code later, so you can make a wish too.
Yeah, so we will go there at what time now?
I think,
Almost 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
It will open at 7 p.m. and I think there will be a lot of people, so we need to queue. So it only started last 9 of November and it will last until tomorrow only, so we need to go there now and
We need to
queue.
go now. If not, we will miss the chance.
Now we'll miss the chance to make a wish on a dandelion. So let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to Gardens by the Bay. So today there are lesser people, so it's very nice to walk around here at Gardens by the Bay. The weather is really nice because it's not too hot and it's also not raining, so good. Okay guys, so now we are here already in front of the dandelion. Can you zoom in? Where is the dandelion? So there's only one dandelion, so I think it's gonna take a while to go inside. You need to queue first. It will open at 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. Now it is already 6 o'clock, so we need to go to the queue area. Let's go! So there's still 1 hour to go before the dandelion will open. So while waiting, we are going to wait here inside this food court. Try to find food or drinks first. So let's go!
This is honey lemon. Honey with lemon.
Hot or cold?
Hot one.
flower will bloom. After 5-6 seconds, you can try again.